Listen to me. There is a distinct sound that your voice makes in the spirit. Your incense, there is a pungency that it brings, is distinct. The day is missing, the corporate quota will be missing. They are waiting for it. I will mark my name. And there is at an energy level that you mark your name. There is a point that they write it down. There are angels waiting at you at a particular point. 2 minutes, lift up your voice and cry.
Padia papa pol papa pepete wapa papa papa pepete rakapa padia pali papa pambe papa papa. Is he lightweight? Is he featherweight? That is heavyweight. Let men of heavyweight, let them arise. Let them arise. Apoy pambe papa wapa papa pandete kapa papa wapa papa pandi atete wapa papa boy wapa pate kwa